everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all photos from iPhone. If you'd like to get rid of all of the photos on your iPhone, then here's a quick tutorial. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Go to Photos from your app drawer. Make sure you're inside your library and you've selected the All Photos option at the lower right hand corner. Tap on the Select button at the top right hand corner and now start clicking on the photos in the first row. Soon after you do that, you can now quickly swipe through the photos and simply select it upwards. While doing that, tap on your battery twice at the upper right hand corner and this will select all of your photos from your photo library. Simply tap on the trash icon in the lower right hand corner and in the pop-up that asks you if you'd like to confirm the deletion, tap on the delete button. Remember that all of the items will be deleted from iCloud photos on all of your devices. That is how you'll be able to select and delete all of your photos on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.